Hello, Michael Johns here, Diane Kimmel, Traverse City, Michigan. It's our nightly bike ride, and today is September 18th. And we want you to get your little mini cycle out, stay on the couch and join us. Put that big screen TV and see what a beautiful night it is in Traverse City, Saturday night, Traverse City, Michigan. Let's go. Okay. That's an Autocat out there. Just dropped one. Got some people playing on the beach, building some sand castles. We park at West End Beach, right across from the Elks Club every night. In Traverse City, you see a lot of air balloons. Hello. Thank you. There is a breeze out of the northeast. Got a few little waves there, and it's a little cool. Was 75 at the house, but when you get down here, you got that breeze blowing across that cold water. Diane said it's going to drop to 65 pretty quick. September 18th, Saturday night. You can see how the trees are changing. Nobody on the volleyball courts tonight. Wow, holy cow. Thank you. Oh, we got a crowd up on top of the Indigo. Beautiful views up there. I took my shirt off because the sun was out and Miss Kimmel's got her jacket on. It is a little brisk. Thank you. Thank you. That's okay. Hello. The open space. I was sweating pretty good at home. Yeah. Like $350 a person to ride on the balloon. I'd love to do it, but it's a little steep for me. Those flowers still are smelling good. This is the open space. This is the marina. Awesome night. Hello. Some people out enjoying their boat. Trying to enjoy the last bit of summer. Hello. You want to go out on the pier? There's the Nauticat out there. You can see the big paw print on the side of the sail. Got the boat launch. This is Clinch Park Marina, beach. I got the splash pad here, little bijou theater. We got this ice cream store here with the, that's a tunnel to get down underneath the road. Clinch Park Beach. Pretty busy tonight. Wow. Holy cow. Thank you. Hello. Coming up on the mouth of the Boardman River. Hey, the state of Michigan ship's back. We just went over the Boardman River, mouth of the Boardman River. The Delamar. Delamar was bought by the Holiday Inn. The Delamar bought the Holiday Inn. And that glass room there, that's their indoor pool. They spent the last 3 years remodeling. You get online and look, it's pretty awesome, the rooms. This is Oldies 107.5 on your FM dial. Pretty good breeze out of the north. Boy, that sun feels good. Can you feel that sun on your face? Still got the hockey teams in town. Delamar's got a nice deck. People sitting out there enjoying a drink and watching the world go by. Hello. Hello. You can get your tickets for the Nauticat right here, and the Wind Dancer. Wind Dancer is like an old tall ship, bunch of sails. Looks like something from the Spanish fleet. Of course, this is Sunset Park. They got picnic tables. They got a really nice beach. They got cookers. Bring your charcoal and cook out. Stuff for the kids to play on, swings, a little merry-go-round. And it's usually never this busy. Oh boy. This is the Haggerty Center. MC runs classes through here. They might have a wedding going on. Senior Center. They were going to rebuild it a couple, 2-3 years ago when COVID hit, and they have shuffleboard, tennis courts. Bathrooms are usually open. They got these tall trees. So if you want to sit on the beach and not sit in the sun, we were here last night, and the state of Michigan ship wasn't here. Oh, yeah, they got a wedding going on here. They closed the ballroom down here for about 1.5 years so we could get our COVID shots, and this is where we came. A couple of maritime guys. That's it. They do the maritime classes out of that. They go out for 2.5 months. think they do 3 classes a season. Sometime in the spring they go out and teach the kids how to work on the, not kids, young men and women, teach them how to work on the big freighters. Pretty cool. Thing's huge. I don't know what I said, like 8 stories. The lakeside, the Haggerty Center. Got some fishermen out there, little group. Hopefully you can see that hot air balloon. Absolutely beautiful night.
Good to be back.
Yeah, I'll bet. 2 guys said it was good to be back. 2 guys from the class. The beach is Sunset Park.
From 10 a.m. until 4 p.m. at Flint Fields in Williamsburg. This non-profit event benefits the TART trails, and it's packed with family fun, including a classic car show, kids events, a bake sale, farmers market, craft show, delicious food. And new this year, it's the best of the Fall Fest talent competition. If you have an amazing talent, submit a short video of it at wccw.fm today. Entries will be chosen from different categories to show off their talents on stage at the actual Fall Festival. You could win great prizes.
Back to the Delamar.
October 2nd at Flint Fields. Made possible with the generous support of Continental Pictures of Williamsburg.
You can see those flags. The water's north, so it's blowing right out of the north. I like it because you get some good waves.
I couldn't breathe at all. I was 39 weeks pregnant. I thought I was gonna die. You know, being 27 and a mom and a wife and having that all almost taken away from me. And if a vaccine can prevent that from happening.
Sorry about the commercials.
Find your vaccine at michigan.gov/COVID vaccine. Sponsored by the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services and the Michigan Association of Broadcasters.
Before you dig in Michigan, you want a shovel in the ground? You gotta call this day.
Hello.
Before you dig that garden in the sun, keep yourself safe, dial 811. It's a law that keeps you safe in your project sound from all of the dangers that are hidden underground. Keep your digging in Michigan.
I'll catch up with you.
Call this day. 811. Keep digging in Michigan.
Check out the deck. They had a wedding here today.
At Jane Sandhurst Airport, Tiffin and Jason and the crew invite you to come on in. Everyone at Jane South Airport is focused on making you feel at home. All your favorites still on the menu. The burgers, the rolls, the famous fish fry, the outlets, and breakfast specials.
Spent a lot of time there. That's how Diane and I met.
Begin the return to normal at Jane Sandhurst South Airport in Traverse City. A message brought to you by
On the
Michigan
deck of the Holiday Inn.
Services. The COVID vaccine is safe and trusted by experts. Find yours at michigan.gov/COVID vaccine.
My best friend's girlfriend introduced us. Dawn Burdick. Bill Vesna. They usually have pontoon boats, ski boats, jet skis, kayaks, and paddle boards, bicycles, you name it. things are kind of cool, kind of pretty, with sunlight hitting them. There's a walkway that goes underneath the bridge here, so you don't have to cross the busy street. We're up about 20 feet. Clear night. You can really see far. Power Island is out there 6 miles. Thank you. A lot of people trying to enjoy the last few days of summer. Thank you. Thank you. That sun feels good. I can't believe how busy it is down here. Hey, is the water cold? What? This guy's backing up. Oh. And go backwards around. A body could get run over here.
Yeah, gotta be careful tonight, for sure.
Hello. Good song. Hello. Going by the marina. Hello. All those tents are gone.
Oh, yeah.
They had some bunch of different like easy ups everywhere here last night. So whatever went on, done and gone. The open space. Got a good crowd up on top of the Indigo. Somebody's usually standing up looking out. I'll try and get them to wave. Hello. Whoa. Smells like a skunk. Lover's swing, only one lover. Thank you. Hello. Non-element. Back to West End Beach. Two years ago, the water, Lake Michigan, was high and washed the parking lot away. We lost a lot of homes that summer and that fall. Shoreline homes. Nice little beaches that hang out for the locals. They'll ride their bicycles down here, people that live close. Bicycles, walk the dog. Those sailboats are moored right off the yacht club property. That's their hangout. Wednesday nights in Traverse City are sailboat race nights. Pretty cool. You'll see 100 sailboats out there with big huge sails. '72 goes up the hill to Empire. 30-minute drive, and a night like tonight would be awesome. Sunset. Straight ahead here, Leelanau County 22 runs up to Sutton's Bay. Sutton Bay is a cute little town. Great place to eat, lunch, dinner, whatever. Buy some memorabilia to take home with you. And there's Harrington's by the bay. Awesome restaurant, log cabin interior, huge fireplaces. There's the sailboats I was talking about. Of course, my favorite view of Traverse City. There we go. Tallest building in Traverse City. It's Park Place Hotel. It's got a green top on it. There's a bar right at the top. And the views are amazing, breathtaking. What's really cool is to sit up there, watch a storm come in across this bay from west to east, watch the lightning. It's like a light show. It's amazing. Traverse City in the summer, nothing better. Thank you. My pretty little wife in her blue jean jacket. Doesn't she look amazing? Lucky me. Back to the car. Traverse City, Michigan. Michael and Diane, September 18th. Thanks a lot for joining us. See you tomorrow.